Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build a composite announcement. In other videos, you learn how to add announcements and custom announcements, but in this video, we're going to focus on how to make sequences of announcements, which we call composites. From the announcements menu, drop a new pin where you would like this composite announcement to play. Click on the menu button next to Announcements, and then New Composite in the bottom center. Here you will define the sequence. First, I want to play the estimated wait time. Immediately following that, I want it to be the position in queue. You can add as many announcements in the sequence as you would like. Once you've defined your sequence, give it a name. In this case, I'm going to call it estimated wait and position. Click OK. That composite has now been added to the available list of announcements. Because I built that composite message, I only need to add that one message at the time I want it to play, and it'll play those in sequence. I do not need to put the individual announcements in and try to get them as close together as possible. That is no longer necessary. Also note that that composite message is available in other skill groups for selection now that I've defined it.